Welcome back to Rachel Be the Healthy Weed. Today we're going to do one of our quick instant moments. I wanted to give you an update on how my rhinestones did and show you how to remove them because quite frankly, they were on there and they didn't want to come off. So let's get started. All right, so I left some rhinestones here. Oh, and here's a quick preview. I was going to show you, I'm going to be doing this set next for you guys, show you how to do a little fun poly gel. If you can see, it has a slight shimmer to it. And also a quick tip, because as you can see I nicked myself here. I grabbed for a file without checking that I had seasoned it. So here's a quick tip. Make sure you season your files. The edges, when you're going along the rim, can cut you if you don't make sure you take another file when you first get it and just run it along the edges like so. That'll get rid of the sharp edges. And just so you know, you need to do the same thing with your mandrel bits. Go ahead and take them and do that on the end, and that'll make sure that you don't cut yourself when you're using them. All right, so let's get to it. So with this rhinestones, they're really super on there. I found a quick little trick was to go ahead and to break the seal next to them, not over them, just right next to them, like so, with a pretty heavy grit. And when you do that, it allows, and you want to use old cuticle nippers because you want to make sure you don't jack up a nice pair. So with a little bit of pressure underneath, so I've got some stability. And then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of get right next to them on the sides of each. And I'm going to pull. Sometimes they pop, so be prepared whatever room you're in. They'll probably fly everywhere because mine certainly started to take off. But helping to break that little, see that one just kind of popped, that little seal that's next to them helps you get a better grip on them. Otherwise it takes a while. And by the way, we are now 3 weeks out and they lasted that entire time. I also wanted to show you the metal ones, as I had spoken to you about before. They almost become one with the nail, so you definitely need to just kind of go over it real quick, because most of the time when you're doing this, it means you're switching your sets. So, and then once you kind of break that seal, the top coat and the gel that you use to adhere it, you can then get in with your cuticle nippers. And this is a diamond shape, so I'm gonna go, of course it's always more awkward on your non-dominant hand. There we go. And it just pops it right up and off. Voila! And then you would move forward with filling and or removing. And again, that was 3 weeks and they were still holding strong. I didn't lose any of them. So there's your update. There's how to remove, and it's okay if you have these little pieces left over, because let me show you with just even a hand file. As you can see, it's super easy to remove that. So hope that helps you guys and you are starting to use some rhinestones, and hope you will go ahead and tune in so you can see how I did this really pretty polygel set. Have a great day.